Solving a radical equation. So we have an example. So to solve this, we need to look for the lowest common denominator. So we need to factor our x squared plus 8x plus 15. So we can have a look at all the factors. So we need factors of 15 that will give a positive of 8. So that's plus 5 and a plus 3. So x plus 5 and x plus 3. So our other equations that we have x plus 5 and we have an x plus 3. So I can see my lowest common denominator. This is the highest factor. So we have x plus 5 and x plus 3. So we need to multiply everything, all the equations, all the fractions, by x plus 5 and x plus 3. So let's see what we got. So we got 2x over x plus 5. And we're going to multiply that by x plus 5 and x plus 3. So x plus 5, x plus 3. So we can see straight away that these will simplify. Then we have minus, I'll put this in brackets, x squared minus x minus 10. And we're going to multiply, this is over, we're going to put it in factored form. So we'll put it in the x plus 3. And we're going to multiply this by x plus 5 and x plus 3. And straight away we can see that these will simplify. And then this is equal to 3 over x plus 3. So if we multiply this by x plus 5 and x plus 3, again, this will simplify. So we need to rearrange this now. So we have 2x, x plus 3 minus x squared minus x minus 10 is equal to 3x plus 5. Now I'm going to distribute the values. So I have 2x squared plus 6x minus x squared plus x plus 10. Because remember, a minus and a minus when we multiply is positive. And then we have 3x plus 15. So now I'm going to simplify, collect my like terms. So I have a 2x and an x squared, so that's going to be x squared. I have a 6x and I have a 1x, so that's going to be 7x. And I have a plus 10. Now on the other side, I'm going to minus 3x and minus 15. So I'm going to do that here as well. Minus 3x and minus 15. And that is going to be 0. So simplifying again, so we have x squared and 7x minus 3x. That's going to give us plus 4x. And plus 10 minus 15 is going to give us minus 5. And this is equal to 0. So what we need to do now is factor this. So factors of minus 5 that will add to give us plus 4 is going to be plus 5 and a minus 1. So x plus 5 and x minus 1. So this is x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to 1. Now we need to check these. Right, so we're going to check first minus 5 into the original equation. So we'd have 2 minus 5 divided by minus 5 plus 5. And let's have a look. We have minus 5 So minus 5 squared minus 5 minus 10. And this is over 5 squared plus 8, this is minus 5 plus 15 is equal to 3 over minus 5 plus 3. So if we have a look at this, we're going to have 2 times 5 is minus 10. Minus 5 plus 5 is 0. Okay, I'm not going to continue. I know I cannot divide by 0, so I've got an undefined value. So we know that x cannot be minus 5, so that is not an option. So now we're going to check our other value of minus 1. So let's have a look. So we have 2 multiplied by 1. No, minus 1, sorry, 1. So 2 multiplied by 1. So we have minus 1 squared minus 1 minus 10. And these are divided by 1 plus 5. And on the bottom we have 1 squared plus 8 multiplied by 1 plus 15. And this is 3 and 1 plus 3. So we have 3 over 6. 2 over 6 rather. 2 over 6. And this is minus. So 1 squared is just 1. So that becomes minus 1 plus 1 plus 10. And this is over 1 plus 8 plus 15. And this is 3 over 4. So let's see. So we have 2 over 6. And we have 10 over 24. And that's equal to 3/4. So if we put them all over 24, so that's 8 over 24 plus 10 over 24, and that would be 18 over 24. So that is correct.